Kabuni ino iria no yonyene shesheni wendete cia Kameme TV, K24 na radio ya Kameme FM yugite mutaratara uyu ni uguteithiriria urigitani wa ciana ici iria nyingi cia cikoragwo ciumite micii iria gomeirwo ni ukia.
For us as MediaMax, that is something that we decided as a company to come in and actually touch these kids and try to actually turn around and improve their lives.
Kiaria hinde igongona ria gucokia ngatho ni ciana iria irigititwo nginyanagia riu thibitari-ini iyo. Mugamiriri wa wendia kambuni-ini ino Matthew Karanja yugite nginyanagia riu kaunti 16 guku bururi-ini ni igunikite na tabarira ino.
For us coming here, it's a sign of commitment that we are together. So any other activity, any event, please feel free to contact us and we shall support where we can. I know like Joy School, we have an event. This is an event that we do each and every year. It's called Sunshine Rally. And we actually bring together over 6,000 disabled kids together. And it's nothing big, it's just bringing them together.
Handini hake mutumia wa gavana wa Taita Taveta Stella Saboja urere kinyiti igongona ine riu niaugite nierutire guthingata mabataro ma ciana iria ikoragwo na mawathe.
I just came to encourage them and to tell them they can do what others can do, and actually they can do it better. So for me to also tell them we love them, because it's out of love that these children are able to even show what they can do.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.